Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Us. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make handmade tassels that can add a charming touch to your saris, blouses, dupattas, and even your home decor. Trust me, these little beauties are easier to make than you think and can really elevate your style game. First things first, let's talk about materials. You'll need some embroidery floss or yarn, a piece of cardboard, scissors, and a needle. That's it. Simple, right? Alright, let's get started. Cut a piece of cardboard to the desired length of your tassel. Wrap your embroidery floss around the cardboard. About 20 to 30 times should give you a nice full tassel. Carefully slide the floss off the cardboard and tie a small piece of floss around one end to secure it. Next, grab your scissors and cut the loops at the opposite end. Give your tassel a little shake to fluff it out. Now take another piece of floss and wrap it around the top about a centimeter down to create the head of your tassel. Secure it with a knot and trim any excess. You can add your tassels to the corners of your sari palu, the end of your blouse strings, or even on your dupattas for a personalized touch. But wait, don't stop there. These tassels can also make fabulous keychains, curtain tiebacks, or even holiday decorations. And there you have it, a simple and fun way to add a bit of flair to your outfits and home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Us for more fun and creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.